Hello, hello, hello. This is AI of Rules channel. My name is Alexander, and today we have flash news. Um, Flash news are that it's no longer possible, at least today, to install Hermes Agent on Ubuntu. So I tried Ubuntu 24.04 on DGX Spark, on another shiny new DGX Spark. After I have used the curl command recommended on Hermes official website, it went through the usual setup process, downloaded library, up until it had to download Playwright dependencies like Chromium browser. It just got stuck. I waited for 5 minutes, 10, 20, which is unlike me. I don't like to wait for that much time. Even waited up to 30 minutes, nothing happened, so I had to Ctrl+C and then to look for a solution. Luckily, I was able to find it, and I will show you how to still install your Hermes agent if if you see that it's stuck on installing Playwright and Chromium during the process. So let's get on to it. So my terminal with DGX Spark, and I'll just show what happens when I use that curl command. Just watch out to see if you experience the same, so that helps you. Right, library installations is always source cloning, right? So that took some extra minutes. So I had to pause video now and again to actually fast forward through it. And yes, now this is the process of installation Node.js, right? Yeah, here it is. Now just watch for when it starts to install Playwright and Chromium. Okay, so here it stays forever, at least for 30 minutes. I confirm that the actual zip file it references here is getting downloaded. There was a spike on iftop monitoring utility, which shown around 200 megs of a download. But after that, it's like silence, nothing. I searched for the bugs on Hermes Agent GitHub, and 2 days ago someone experienced the same behavior and reported it, that installation reaches the Playwright Chromium part and just hangs. After that, I have found that lots of people reported issues for the version of Playwright starting from 155. The actual version used in Hermes is 158 in this Hermes's tag or main branch. The fix is to update the specific file which holds those node modules dependencies for Playwright from 158 wherever to 160. That's what I'm going to do. So using Ctrl+C to stop this process, locating the file, here is how, descend into Hermes and then /Hermes-agent, and then use grep. Grep wherever we have Playwright in the file. Yeah, only JSON files. Okay, that's a little bit too much of output. Let me just change the search string like so. Okay, now we have JSON files exclusively, and here is the file inside node modules Hermes package.json in there. Yes, here it is. Just changing that to 1.60.0 and saving the file. Okay. What's left is to restart the process. Just use that same curl command again. Installer detects the previous installation and goes on. Once we reach Node.js dependencies, notice that it's no longer 1.45 version of Chrome, it's 1.48. So there is a chance that this time the process will continue. Yes, it does. It continued and it proceeded to the next phase. Right. Perfect. So now we have it installed and I'm proceeding to the configuration dialog. Sweet. I guess it's time to just do the summary. There are 5 steps, not 4, 5. The 5th step is arguably the most important one. To make Hermes Agent installable during these hot August days, today is August the 20th, the first one is to use the usual command you find on Hermes's website, curl command, to download and run the installer. Once it reaches the Playwright section and you see it's hanging there, like just hanging that code, then press Ctrl+C. Once you do that, go and locate the file as I have shown you, Hermes Agent, then node modules, Hermes again, and package.json. Find the line where the specific version of at Playwright software is referenced and change it to at least 1.60.0. Save the file and then rerun the installer again. Once it's installed, then the most important, arguably, item, enjoy. I hope that helps. I will put the exact instructions and the file location into the description of this video. And I guess I see you on our next videos.